这一届川普无通知国会，就发动军事行动，掠委内瑞拉的总统马杜罗，佮宣布接管委内瑞拉。咱联合国秘书长是大力批评，国际上嘛拢普遍对这届军事行动的合法性展开讨论。
马杜罗挂手铐甲脚镣，表情自在，伫纽约的缉毒局向执法人员讲新年快乐。这幕看伫国内支持者眼内是特别无爽快。美国首都卡拉卡斯轰炸了后，天一个光，支持者随行上街路来烧美国国旗。哥伦比亚边境附近看到当有民众大声唱歌、放炮啊庆祝重新得到自由。
Prácticamente vamos a estar libres, una Venezuela libre, gracias a Dios, gracias al gobierno norteamericano del presidente Donald Trump por ayudar y interceder en este país.
国际间除了中国、罗西亚、伊朗加巴西这国家强烈谴责，美国的西方朋友也有日本是大部分强调，国际法甲联合国宪章的基本原则爱先得到尊重。
The UN Charter was instituted. It has a core principle prohibiting the use of military force with very narrow limitations for self-defense.
The president did point to his powers under Article 2. He has argued through this campaign that he is protecting the United States from invasion by cartels and drugs, and that the Constitution gives him the authority to do that.
亚纳川普政府是不是违反美国的宪政原则，无经过国会授权就动武，而且也无依照规定事先来通报国会，也引发热烈的讨论。民主党籍参议员凯恩初五开始推动参议院就战争权利法案来进行表决，防止川普政府搁再西过国会对他国发动军事行动。
This was not the kind of mission that you can do congressional notification on. It was a trigger-based mission in which conditions had to be met night after night. We watched and monitored that for a number of days.
Congress has a tendency to leak. This would not be good.
专家讲，川普可能认为武装掠马杜罗呼应美国伫1989年对巴拿马前独裁总统诺瑞加的军事行动。不过，当时美军伫巴拿马本来就大规模的驻军，两件代志是无共款的。亚纳马杜罗案件若受好的法律辩护，这个案件未来有可能一路跑到美国的最高法院。公视新闻王如梅编译。